Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Dogecoin. Wanted to do a full update. It's been very volatile over the course of the weekend, of course, with Saturday being quite bearish. Although I must say, Dogecoin over the course of Saturday has been able to hold incredibly well. This local support level around 21.2 cents has been able to hold, while a lot of altcoins, and I think most of you know that as well, a lot of altcoins dropped down lower. But then yesterday we had a lot of volatility. We actually had some volume coming back into the price as well, the highest volume since the 12th of May, which is only a week ago, but still. And then this morning has been filled with a lot of bearish pressure. Look at this. Since the start of the Asian session and now also going into the European session, which hasn't even started yet, but okay. Bitcoin is pushing down incredibly aggressively, and that's taking the market down with it as well. However, and for those of you who watched my previous Dogecoin video, you already know, or you might already know that I'm going to say this. Dogecoin is still holding very well. Now, I'm not going to tell you that we're bullish. We're trading below the 7-day rolling VWAP. We had a massive resistance level right here at 25 cents. And I see no indication that we're going to break above that. However, Dogecoin is still holding that support level at 21.5 and 21 cents. Right, and a lot of coins are not holding the same support levels as Thursday the 15th of May. So I cannot be anything but positive about Dogecoin. Now, does that mean that I'm going to buy Dogecoin here? No. We have a support level right here at 21.5 and 21 cents. But first of all, it's quite a weak support level, right? It's been able to hold the price intraday for some time now, so that's great. But ultimately, we do not have a lot of confluences there anymore. The last time we hit that, we still had an imbalance to fill to the downside. And then outside of that, I do think Bitcoin is going to find support, for the record, and I do think Bitcoin will bounce back up. However, right now, I'm not convinced about the bounce. I think we're going to drop down lower. Dogecoin is very correlated to Bitcoin. So therefore, look, short term, what Dogecoin is going to do is going to depend a lot on how we react to 21.5 and 21 cents. All right. For now, I would say it's most likely that we are going to drop down below that. All right. Stock market is also a little bit weaker. So if you have the New York opening later today, there's a good chance that crypto is just going to shoot down lower. And like I said, I'm not convinced that Bitcoin has found support just yet. So therefore, I think Dogecoin is going to drop down below that. However, then you have an area for Dogecoin from 20.5 cents all the way down to 19 cents, where first of all, on the higher time frames, we have a lot of support, which you can see right here as well. We've spoken about this before. But then you have imbalances, which can provide support. You have the 30-day rolling VWAP. You have the 90-day rolling VWAP. You have the 200 EMA on the 12-hour time frame. You have the 200 EMA on the 4-hour time frame. In general, a lot of support. All right. So yes, I do think it's most likely we're going to get a breakdown here, but ultimately from that level, let's say at 19.5, I do expect a bounce. And then from that bounce, it's going to be crucial whether we can reclaim 21.5 cents as support. If yes, Dogecoin is going to continue to be incredibly strong. If no, but these are a lot of criteria, and I will keep you updated on this, don't worry. If no, then we're going to drop down lower into that level at 18.5 cents, all right, the previous range high. But for now, what I would say is most likely is at least this, and then we'll pick up in the next video where we left off after this. All right, so those are my thoughts for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, have a great week. Make sure to subscribe and keep an eye on the channel if you're interested in more Dogecoin updates. But that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.